Oh yes, that's about right. So our wood, guys, is going to be 1 foot 20 inches, just above. Oops, we're gonna have to do a temporary fix on this. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is a temporary fix. I know you're gonna come for me in the comment section, but just watch the entire video. This is just a quick roadside repair that we're gonna be going over today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So guys, I'm sure you've seen this, where on these vehicles, the E39s especially, BMW, we have where window regulators fail often. And this is just a quick tip roadside repair kind of thing. This is one of those, I say don't try this at home unless you're in a bind. Like I said, roadside mechanics. All right, so your window drops. All right, it's probably cold out, raining and or snowing. All right, and you want to get that secured. So if you've seen some of the previous videos, you know how to get this door panel off. All right, so there's a screw that's normally in here, and that's the only thing that's holding this entire panel together besides some clips. All right, so once you get that removed, there's normally a little plastic door over here. You just pop that off, unscrew that. More than likely with one of these. I think the original might be a Torx. All right, so don't quote me on that. So once you get that off, you're gonna give it a pull. All right, you can just slip that back through there. So in this case, guys, the window failed and it was all the way down here. All right, so we've been riding dirty for a long time and went ahead and ordered the part, but it's going to take a while to get here. So like I said, this is just a temporary roadside fix. All right, so it failed in a position, as you can see, the transmission here, I believe that's the name for it, that's what failed. All right, this here connects to the window switch. All right, and if I can find that, so it's connected to this window switch through here. All right, so I was able to mess with this a little bit, and for the rest of it, I just push the window up, kind of keep it in place. Some trial and error. We're gonna bring the woodwork to the automotive space here. All right, so I was able to push that up, but what I did, I was able to find two of these paneling here. Like I said, this is just a temporary fix. All right, so you just yank it in here, and I'm using two to kind of secure that window. Hopefully it doesn't bump on anything hard and shatter the window. But like I said, this is just a temporary roadside repair. So as you can see, the first one I got in there, and that's kind of resting. It's gonna be hard to get you guys up in here, but it's gonna be pretty tough. But you can see that first wood is like right under the glass. All right, so it's preventing the glass from slipping back down. All right, so that's going to keep your window secure temporarily. Can't stress that enough. So you know, just for good measure, I went ahead and just put two, and this happened to be the perfect size. You might have to trial and error with what you got, and it appears that that's making contact. So in the case, and I have the wedge in here, all right, so it's not going anywhere. All right, so in the event that this window decides to slide back down, it will stop on those two wooden panels right there to prevent it from slipping down and thus securing your window for now. All right, guys, so just a quick tip. Again, one key out, and sure enough, guys, we have the same issue on the more important window here, the driver's side. For now, this one is just propped up. I did that, but I don't like the way that looked. Also on order is the correct parts to fit this as well. So in the meantime, I just went ahead and I kind of wedged that right there to hold the window up. So guys, don't judge me here. When you're on the roadside repair emergency type of thing, you just got to do what you got to do. All right, so thanks for checking. Again, One Key Car Garage signing off. Thank you.